We had a bit of a struggle with the door yesterday. I'm not sure how to explain what the problem was. It wouldn't close. I don't know why, but it was like stuck, locked, and partially sticky. I don't know. It was a rough day. What's up, everybody? I'm Sarah Wellman. This is Birdseeds, and the Cardinals are really making me sad. And then mad. And then frustrated, and then there's a glimmer of hope that just makes all of that worse when it all falls apart. So I was going to talk about things like how good Colton Wong has been, despite many of the detractors that still insist that he's not good, but whatever. Or about how the offense has actually been pretty strong as of late. But then, every pitcher, like every single one of them, is either hurt or just not good. And I don't know if you know this or not. I know it's mind-boggling, but you can't really win very much in the game of baseball without good pitching. It's just not going to happen. So rather than talk about that and depress us all even more, I'm just going to share with you something much more fun, and that is my trip to St. Louis a couple weekends ago on behalf of the Marriott St. Louis Grand. Now, they asked me to come down and to try their Grand Slam package, which includes the hotel, tickets to the game, parking, a food voucher, and some other fun things which you'll see. So, without further ado, roll the tape. What's up, guys? We are finally on the way. It's my friend Corinne. She's hanging out with us this weekend. So I'm not going to shoot any video while I'm driving because that would be real dumb. But we are finally on the way. Only like 25 minutes later than we planned. Whatever. So hopefully the camera battery holds out so we can show you all the fun things once we actually get there. Which I'm sure will include Ted Drew's at some point because it's St. Louis and that sort of has to happen. Also baseball. So we'll see you there. Alright, we have arrived. This is our fancy room. And there's presents! Look, it even has my name on it. Alright, let's see what's in this ordeal. All kinds of stuff. Look at that. Handcrafted potato chips. Now that is fancy. And there's one for you.
There's two?
There's two!
Legit.
What is this unmarked box? I don't know if I can open this one-handed.
You gotta be smarter than the box, Tara. I gotta be smarter.
I don't know if we can open
like
it with both hands.
No, what is?
No?
It's
Oh,
not
it's a
lipstick.
charger. It's a portable phone charger.
Oh,
Look at that.
Oh, I thought that was lipstick at first.
It did kind of look
kinda
like lipstick. Pretzels, Mom's Originals, but not my Mom's Originals. I don't know about all that. And then some little mini chocolates. Well done, Marriott. Well done. Hey, look! Friends! Or did they just say that? I don't know. The way this day has gone, They might not think that by the end of the day, but for now
we're still good.
we're gonna go find some coffee because that's what we do. That's what I do.
That's what you do. That's
what she does.
That's what I do.
He's just along for the ride
Yeah.
at this point. So we're gonna get some coffee. Just a short walk. We might have gotten turned around a little bit, but you know, just enjoying the lovely day. It's a little bright at the moment, but you can see the arch if you get away from the buildings. That was my problem. I couldn't find the arch. Bueno day.
Jerseys up there. So let's start with Danny Pass.
See what happens when the bullpen comes in. So we made it back to the hotel. This pretzel thing, this is like, I don't even have words. This is where it's at. Also, there's drone racing on television. So, who knew that was a thing?
This has to be like a virtual reality thing.
I'm not really sure what's happening, but it's happening, whatever it is. And there's a person that's winning, and I don't know what any of those numbers mean, but yeah, it's a little dizzying. So anyway, I'm gonna finish this pretzel, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and do a Periscope with my good friend Daniel Shopta, the legendary C70 himself. And then I am going to crash in this amazing bed. And I'm not even, that's not hyperbole. Like, it's actually legitimately one of the most comfortable beds I've ever laid in my life. Which is why I'm going to get up now, or I will fall asleep. And then we'll go from there. So that's the plan. Periscope in the lobby. Sleep in the bed. And then we'll figure out tomorrow after that. Can we talk about Colton Wong right now? Are we all finally buying into the Colton Wong thing? Is this just him finally getting a chance, or is this Colton finally, and I think it's some combination of this, but of Colton Wong finally just deciding, like, I'm gonna do my thing and I'm not gonna try to be what the manager thinks I am or tells me I should be, and then all of a sudden you have Colton Wong.
It's obvious that what has happened is Colton Wong has finally really connected with Tony fans. And they both decided, who cares what anybody else thinks, we're going to do this. So
that seems fair. Good night. Good morning, St. Louis and Birdseeds and whoever else is. Just good morning. That was a lovely night's sleep, I must say. You know it's good when you try to get up 4 different times and end up laying back down in bed because you're so comfortable. Oh wait, fitness center.
Oh, yeah, I forgot this one. What is he on?
I don't even see it. Health club, level 3. Is that it? Health club? Let's go up there first. Not because I'm actually going to work out. I did think about it. I did think about it. But I feel like I want to look at it so that I can, like, by proximity, feel healthier. Anyway. This has all been redone, so this is fancy.
This keeps going. It's like better than like some people's actual gym that they pay money to
So
go
I'm
to.
just gonna live in the hotel and use this gym. I'm impressed. I'm not gonna, you know, like go change into my workout gear or anything, but I am impressed. We've hit the jackpot. We found the pretzel thing.
This one is like minus the walnuts.
Oh.
So you have a peanut, walnut, nut allergy.
There you go. No, you tell me what's the local favorite? Or the best thing to get for breakfast?
My best seller is baconated cheese pudding.
Okay.
Ham cheese bagel,
All right.
black pepper sage sausage on a muffin.
Everything you've said so far sounds amazing.
Everything's good.
All right. Well, that does not help me make a decision. But... And that, as they say, is that. Now, while those were happier times as far as baseball is concerned, the weekend as a whole was quite lovely. And it's always good to see Daniel Shoptaw in person, not just via Skype, which mostly doesn't work right all the time. So many thanks to the Marriott for hosting us. And if you are heading to St. Louis from out of town, check it out and see what they have to offer. The Grand Slam package is a mighty fine weekend if that's the kind of thing you're looking for. What I'm looking for is the Cardinals team that won 8 games straight. And I still don't have my Rally Cat shirt, so maybe that's the problem. I'm Tara Wellman, and I'll see you next time on Birdseeds. If you missed last week's episode, go ahead and click right here to go straight there. And if you want to make sure that you never miss an episode of Birdseeds, click subscribe.